This is the Nothing phone, and you can use the Glyph lights at the back of the phone as the flash when you're taking photos and videos with this phone. So to use those Glyph lights as your flash, simply go to the camera, and whether you're in photos or video, let's start with photos. So as you can see, right now the camera has no flash at all. If you tap on the flash icon at the top, that will turn on the normal flash, which is that LED at the back of the phone. And that flash is good enough. But if you want to use the Glyph lights, then you can tap on the flash icon again and it should change to this C. And now the Glyph lights are on, and it's a more subtle and more soft flash you can use for your camera. So you can use that to now take photos. And it takes really good photos with that Glyph interface. You can do the same for video. So if you go to video, as you can see right now, the flash is turned off. Turn it on, it turns on the normal flash, the single LED light. And if you tap on it again, it turns on the Glyph lights, and you can use that as your flash. And that's how to use the Glyph lights of your Nothing phone as the flash of your Nothing phone's camera. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.